Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you question answers of chapter The Last Leaf. So before we begin with the video, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. Question number 1. What is Johnsey's illness? What can cure her? The medicine or the willingness to live? Answer. Johnsey, a young artist, was ill. She was suffering from pneumonia, but later on she suffered from a misconception that she would die as soon as the last leaf on the creeper would fall. The medicine had no effect on her. Her willingness to live could cure her. Question number 2. Do you think the feeling of depression Johnsey has is common among teenagers? Answer. Life has two aspects, positive and negative. It depends upon us how we take it. Nowadays, it is very common that teenagers are getting depressed because of cutthroat competition. On the other hand, a majority of teenagers who take life positively and faces difficulties boldly never loses hope and always proceed further. Question 3. Behram has a dream. What is it? Does it come true? Answer. Behram had a dream to paint a masterpiece in his life. He kept waiting for the opportunity to give it a practical shape. Yes, he could materialize his dream when he painted the last leaf of the ivy creeper. Question 4. What is Behram's masterpiece? What makes Sue say so? Answer. Behram was a 60 years old artist who had a dream to paint a masterpiece. His painting of an ivy leaf was his masterpiece, which saved the life of Johnsey. It was such a painting that it was not easy to make out whether the leaf was real or it was just a painting. When Behram died, painting this life saving work of art, Sue called it a masterpiece. Some other important questions. Why had the leaf not fallen the next morning? Answer. The whole story revolves around the last leaf. It was because Behram, the artist, painted a masterpiece. The artist painted a leaf on the wall in order to save the life of Johnsey. As the story begins, we find Johnsey, the artist, lying in the bed. She was suffering from pneumonia. Her condition was critical. There was no improvement. She had established a bond of her life with the ivy leaves. She had a misconception that her life will end with the last leaf. Behram knew this thing. The last night was stormy. He knew that the leaf would fall that night. So he painted the leaf on the wall, putting his life in danger. Thus, the last leaf had not fallen the next day. Next question. The Last Leaf is a story of supreme sacrifice. Discuss. Answer. The story reveals Behram's sacrifice. He was a poor old artist. He had a dream to paint a masterpiece. Once, Johnsey fell ill and established a bond of her life with the ivy leaves. One day, Sue found her whispering this. She looked after Johnsey and informed Behram about her condition. It was stormy night and there was a single leaf on the creeper. Behram thought that the last leaf would fall that stormy night, so he decided to paint the leaf on the wall that night. He painted the leaf so beautifully that it looked natural. But he got pneumonia that night and died 2 days after the painting. Hence, this story becomes the story of supreme sacrifice. Next question. Describe the appropriateness of the title. Answer. The title is quite appropriate. The whole story centered around the last leaf. It is the last leaf that saved Johnsey's life. The sole aim of the old artist was to paint a masterpiece, and the masterpiece was the last leaf on the wall. So guys, that is it for today. Do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.